Good indicators of corrosion usually tells you the state that your tank would be in. You'd see corrosion marks usually around the rim, top, or around the bottom rim. It's usually a good indicator that condensation or a small leak may be occurring when the water heater heats up. You'd also notice corrosion usually around the nipples where the water feeds into the tank and out of the tank. There's also usually a hole where an anode is replaced, which prevents corrosion. You may also notice around this some corrosion happening. Looking at the tag on the water heater, you will see a serial number in the top right corner. Usually starts out SER, semicolon. This particular one says 06 06 500 858. The first 4 digits indicate the month and year. 0606 would refer to the 6th month of the 6th year of the 2000.